Cherry Productions Gaming. If you're new here, welcome. And if you enjoyed this video, consider giving us a like and subscribe. Today we're back in Modern Life Simulator because you cannot properly see the game. So here it is. Okay, there. Now we can see the game. Here I am. Papa, you cannot see the game. Okay. The school bus is waiting outside. Pick up. Hello, lady. Are you here already? Yep, she is. Hello, you do it. You do it. Ew, what's that in your hair? Ew. Jack, why did you put it in your grandma? I mean, in your mom. Okay, let's get this now. And let's give it to Jack. Because she looks so creepy. She looks so creepy. And how do you can be creepy for school? Here I am. Okay. Go outside the house and say bye to Jack. Okay. Bye, Jack. I'm so slow. I'm watching slow. I mean, I'm walking slow. Okay, let's go now. Say bye, Gigi. Bye, Mom. Hey, why are you gonna stay there? Go be late for school. No thanks. I don't need that. And I think I have more coins. I guess unlock some makeup for Okay, let's just apply. Let's just Y. Okay, it's this way. Check with it. Okay, there. What's this? Update kids room. Wow, no. Okay, pick up the chicken from the freezer. Okay, Mom is still there. Wait, what's that in the top? Wait, let's just go here first. No, are you just watching the wall? What's this? What's this, Jack? What's this? What's this? Pick up chicken. Pick up okay. It says pick up chicken. Bake it chicken. Check my baby. Hello, baby. Bring your clothes. Wait, I will equip something. What's this? Okay. Look at this. Close this. Wait, let's close this. There's no electricity. Okay, there. Consider giving us a like. Consider giving. Because where's the... Okay, here. Here. Okay. Okay, there. Ow. Let's go put it inside. Okay, there. No, open. Open. Okay, there. Now we close this. Okay. Okay, there. Put it on the table. Done. There, we did it, guys. Yay. Okay. Why doesn't there's no keys? space like this. Exit this and put it back for gaming. Okay, there. We're back here and we're going to exit this. And we're ending the video. So it says, feeling tired, pick up the coffee from the dining table. Because you cannot see the game. Okay, hello baby. Where's your mother? Is it? Oh, hello. Hello. Hello, you don't have to stay in the room. Hello. Actually, I like the lips. Okay, let's go now from here. Let's check this out. Wait, can we actually get this? We can. Oh, we cannot. Okay, let's go. Get the coffee. Hey, did you jerk it, Mom? Okay. Wash. Okay, put it back on the table. Is it already done? Oh yeah, there. Yeah, I can get this now. Is this your baby's porridge? Okay. To make coffee, add cocoa powder into the coffee into the coffee machine. Oh, it's coffee machine. Coffee machine. Okay, there. Okay, there. Now we're going to add. No, what's this? Why do we need to carry this? Oh, okay, we need milk first. Okay, there. Pour coffee in the cup. Okay. And I tried playing this game. It looks like Cherry Pop Productions Gaming. So let's get this done. Okay, that's it. You made coffee. Okay, that's what I think. Okay, here is it now.
Oh my gosh, is this some butterfly clips? What's this? That looks kind of cool. Oh, but wait, these braids?
Of course, I'll use this. Yes! Never mind. Fashion catwalk star. It's a catwalk like Miss Teen's Card Teachers 3D. Wow, how cool. You must eat to stay healthy. I can go to see. Okay, this is the outside. Let's go explore this place first. Okay, this is the baby set. Is the baby still there? Oh my god. Guys, where? The first one, it's just... Oh. There you are. I saw her in here. Here's the baby. Done. Okay, that was quick. Okay, there's something. Alright. We're going to end the video. That's all we have for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do, please give the video a like. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Turn on the bell so you can miss awesome videos like this video. Subscribing really helps the channel. And thanks for watching. See you in my next video. It's going to be low but already. My iPad is ready. Bye.